I'm walking down the street, people are looking at me. What they see is a masterpiece created by the king. I am different by design, and I am fearfully and wonderfully made. I may not look like you and you me, but that's the way it's supposed to be. Dare to be you, dare to be me, and dare to be different and unique.
My name is Edmund Lewis. I've been a supporter of Black male achievement for about, I would say, almost 11 to 12 years, and it's been a passion of mine since I was fortunate enough to make it to college. I really wanted to understand why at the time a lot of young men from my high school young men of color, Black boys, wasn't going to college, and got fortunate, got in, and then great opportunities happened for me. I met Phyllis through the Black Male Engagement Program, and we did a session in DC. We did a BME session, an inaugural retreat in DC. And when I went to the session, I was in a really dark place and really wasn't myself, and really was wanting to feel better and learn how to heal and become just a better individual. I was suffering from compassion fatigue as well as being in the entrepreneurial blues. And after leaving Phyllis' session, I made a vow to just become better holistically. And I changed my diet, I changed my exercise, and I found a circle of friends that held me accountable. And I'm really thankful for that, because this year I got a chance to run a marathon, and I did really great. And I travel, and I incorporate traveling, but I incorporate healthy activities into all my travels. So I'm really thankful, for the health and healing strategies that Phyllis has incorporated, that she initiated for me, and has been so instrumental in my just ongoing progression of how I take better care of myself. So Phyllis, keep up the good work, and I'm supporting. Got you all day, rocking. We're better together.